Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day and welcome once again to class. In continuation of our maths challenge, today is day 5 and we shall be considering the question number 5 of the NECO 2023 question. As you can see on the board, in a certain school, the principal gave the analysis of the qualified subject teachers in a school as follows. That is English for subject English we have about 10 teachers, for mathematics we have 8, for physics we have 4, for French we have 6, and for biology we have 12. And the first question says that draw the pie chart to illustrate this information, while the B part says if 2 teachers are to represent the school in a workshop, what is the probability that both will come from either physics or biology? Now, to solve questions like this, to get the pie chart, we have to first of all know the sectoral handbook that each of these subject teachers allocation represent. And to do that, it's a simple formula. You first of all total the number of teachers. If you add 10 to 8, you get 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28, and 28 plus 12 gives us 40. Right? Good. So to find out the sectoral angle for each of these teachers, you just use a simple formula, and that formula is to say 10 out of 40. And you know, pie chart is a circle, and the total angles in the circle is 360. So you say 10 over 40 times 360 will give you the sectoral angle. So let's do that on this space, then we'll transfer the results here. Is that fine? Alright, so 10 over 40 times 360 degrees. 0 here, we cancel 0 here. 4 here, 1. 4 can go in 36, 9 times. So 9 times 10 is 90. So this is 90 degrees. So let's do for mathematics. We have 8 teachers out of 40 times 360 over 1. Now, again, 40 can go here 9 times, and 9 times 8 is 2 degrees. Good. So let's go. If there are 4 here, you have 4 over 40. 40 has gone here 9 times. So 4 times 9 is 36 degrees. Then if there are 6, just put 6 here. And 6 times 9 is 4 degrees. Then if this is 12, right? 12 times 9 will give you 108 degrees. So those are the sectoral angle representation for the subject's allocation. Therefore, to construct your pie chart, it's simple. You don't need to use a compass or a protractor. Just ensure that you draw a big circle, then you apportion the angles based on their sizes as shown here. So I will do that just back now. So this is my circle. Now this is the center. Watch what I'm going to do. Now, English is 90 degrees. So what I will just do is that I will just ensure that my hands straight, right? So this gives me 90 degrees. So this is for English language. So I will just put here English. That's 90 degrees. Then another angle that I can easily construct that is very light is 108. Right? So I've done this, I'll take it. So 108 is the largest angle here. So this is what I will do. So let me put it like this. Good. So you know somewhere here is our 90. So 108 is a nice one. So this is 108 degrees, and this subject is biology. Good. Then see that followed by mathematics, which is 72 degrees. So I will take 72 degrees. If I draw this here, this will be exactly 90 degrees. So I will reduce it a bit. So this, okay, let me take it from this part. Good. So this is 72 degrees, and that subject is mathematics. So I will label it mathematics. Then followed by French. Of course, look at the size that you have. Just reduce, just divide it into two on equal parts, so that French will have a larger share here. So if I divide it like this, since I'm sure this is the largest part, I'll give this to Mr. French. So this is what, 54 degrees. So I'll label it French. Then the last sector here is physics, which is 36 degrees. So I'll put the label here, physics. Of course, you know the angle is what? 36 degrees. So that is how I attempt this A part of the question. I hope it's okay. Now, to help you with this, you can kindly rewind this class so that you can get the step that we followed in achieving this. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you consider doing that? And as well, sharing this video with your friends, loved one, and family. So let's proceed to the B part of our question. Know that if two teachers are to represent the school in a workshop, what's the probability that both will come from either physics or biology? Now, there are two ways to interpret this question, and the first way is that the two teachers can either be biology teachers or they can be physics teachers, right? Look at the word. Both will come from either physics or biology. So or in probability talks of addition, right? Then we have the word either. So it could either be physics, the two from physics, or the two from biology. Good. So at this point, let us look at the probability of two physics teachers. Probability, both are physics teachers, or let me use this word, probability of two physics teachers. Now, how many physics teachers do we have? We have 4 physics teachers, right? Good. So this will become what? 4 out of 40. Good. Then as well, if I have to pick another physics teacher, that means I picked one. So I'm left with 3 options to pick. And my total would have reduced from 40 to 39. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 39. Right? Good. So let me also find the probability that the both of the teachers picked are biology teachers. So probability both of say probability 2 biology teachers. 2 biology teachers, I will have the first will be 12, right? Out of 40 multiplied. You know the outcome would have dropped from 12 to 11. So this gives me what? 11 over 39. So using the calculator to multiply, 4 times 3 will give you 12. Then 40 times 39, 560. Then 12 times 11 will give you 132. Then this of course will give you 1560. Now because the question stated that the probability of either both are physics or biology teachers. So we are going to combine these two results together. Therefore, the probability of either two physics or biology teachers will now be the result we obtain, which is 12/1560 plus 132/1560. Now in probability or in fraction, the denominators are the same, so we can go ahead and add up the numerator. So if you add 132 to 12, you will obtain what? 144, right, over 1560. So let's try to simplify this. 144 over 1560 will give you 6/65. So this is the solution to the B part of the question, right? So I'm going to document this result here. 6/65. Good. Now I want to use another approach to solve this same question and to obtain the same result. The other approach that I will be using to attempt this same B part is the method of combination, and we have dealt with combination in our previous video. You can kindly just check the channel to search for such video, or better still, I will put the link to one of such videos in the description to this particular lesson so that you can understand what combination is. In mathematics, combination simply means to choose, or to make a choice. And it then means that for this particular question, the principal is about to make a choice. So let us first of all find out how the principal can choose two, in how many ways the principal can choose two teachers out of 40. So let's find out. So number of total teachers first. Total teachers 40. So let's find out the physics teachers. Physics teachers, we have what? According to 4. Biology teachers, 12, right? Good. So now that we know that the physics teachers are 4 and the biology teachers are 12, let us first of all find out the number of ways the principal can choose 2 teachers out of 40. So what does this mean? It means 40 choose 2. That's the interpretation. And what does 40 choose 2 means in combination? It means 40 combination 2. And I've done a video, like I said earlier, on combination. And what does combination mean? If you have n combination arrow, it simply means n factorial over n minus arrow factorial, And what does factorial mean? Factorial means multiply the number by number 1 less than itself, multiply by another number 1 less than that number, multiply by another number 1 less than that number. Good. That is what n factorial simply means. And our n in this case is 40. So using that, we are going to say 40 factorial over 40 minus the arrow is 2 factorial, then we have 2 factorial. Now, for the sake of space and time, I'm not going to use this elaborate method. To save our time, I'm just going to punch this value in the calculator. And if you do that in the calculator, say 40 combination 2, you are going to get 780. Good. So the principal has 780 ways to choose 2 teachers out of 40. Good. Let's also find out how many ways the principal can choose 2 teachers out of 4 physics teachers. To choose 2 teachers out of 4 physics teachers, that is also 4 combination 2. And if you punch your calculator, 4 combination 2 gives you 6. Now let us find out how the principal can also choose 2 teachers out of 12. This becomes 12 combination 2. And if you do 12 combination 2, you are going to get 66. So let me put ways here, ways here, ways here. So it means that to choose 2 out of the whole of the 40 teachers, the principal has 780 ways to do that. And to choose 2 physics teachers, the principal has 2 ways. And to choose 2 teachers out of 12, she has got 66 ways to do that. So the probability of her choosing either 2 physics teachers or 2 biology teachers, therefore, the result we obtain from how to choose what 2 physics teachers, which is 6. Then remember, probability is what your what outcome over the what possible what outcome, right? So our outcome here is just 6 out of 780. Then added to the number of ways to choose 2 biology teachers from 12, which is 66 out of what 780. So if you go ahead to add this, 66 plus 6 will give you 72. Then over 780. Then let's simplify this. 72 divided by 780 will also give you 6 over 60. You can, all right, you can see both methods what led us to the same result, 6 over 65, 6 over 65. So I would advise that you rewind the video so that you can get all the concepts that have been treated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and invite your friends as well. Till we meet again for question number 6. Bye for now.